Pretoria, in a diplomatic wrangle. As signatory to the Rome Accord, it's duty-bound to arrest al-Bashir, but it invited Sudan's president to the AU Heads of State Summit. Al-Bashir is wanted for war crimes in Sudan's Darfur. These alleged crimes took place in 2003. The ICC issued an arrest warrant in 2009. Since then, al-Bashir's international travel has been severely restricted. This is the Sudanese president's first visit to South Africa since the 2009 edict. Pretoria had not anticipated a possible court challenge.
The South African representative went to make representations to the ICC. It resulted in an urgent judgment being issued last night, in which the ICC confirms that President Bashir does not enjoy head of state immunity, and that according to the ICC, he enjoys no immunity by virtue of being here.
But the first hurdle they have to jump, a cabinet decision giving blanket immunity to heads of state for the AU summit.
We don't know where he came in, we don't know which port of exit he intends to exit from. And we are very concerned about a slip in communications between the National Department and its officials at the various points of exit.
The state has asked for time to prepare their legal argument, but they insist Bashir will not leave the country until the matter is resolved.
President al-Bashir has come solely for that reason, that is to attend that summit. So we do not anticipate any situation where then he is likely to leave before the end of the summit.
The judge says all reasonable steps should be taken to ensure Bashir does not leave.
The respondents are directed to take all necessary steps to prevent him from doing so. 2. The 8th respondent, the Director of Home Affairs, is ordered 2.1 to effect service of this order on the officials in charge of each and every point of entry.
The AU, meanwhile, is in al-Bashir's corner. The AU and the IEC have butted heads before, mainly on the arrest of Kenya's Uhuru Kenyatta. Africa wants to try its own leaders and doesn't believe the ICC is the vehicle to do that. South Africa too aligns itself to the BRICS and the NAM member states and has some antipathy to what Western powers think. The AU says it holds jurisdiction over the summit. On Monday, the court will rule on whether the IEC warrant is lawful and whether it's enforceable, after hearing arguments from all legal parties. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria.